This Week in Science brought us a roller coaster of breakthroughs and jaw-dropping discoveries, a potential cure for Huntington's disease, a black hole breaking the very laws of physics, a record-smashing typhoon, and even a story about restoring eyesight with a patient's own tooth. Let's dive into the top science stories you need to know. First up, a historic breakthrough in medicine. Scientists have developed a gene therapy that slows Huntington's disease by 75%. This rare genetic disorder affects 1 in 10,000 to 20,000 people in the US, striking in midlife with devastating symptoms: dementia, loss of movement, and eventually death within decades. The new therapy works by inserting a healthy gene into brain cells, targeting the two regions most damaged by the disease. While still in clinical trials, researchers are already applying for approval in the US and Europe. If successful, this would mark the first real treatment against Huntington's, offering hope to thousands of families worldwide. Meanwhile, in Canada, doctors pulled off a surgery straight out of science fiction, using a patient's own tooth to restore his vision. Brent Chapman lost his eye after a severe allergic reaction. After 2 decades of failed treatments, surgeons implanted his tooth into his cornea, where it held a tiny lens that restored his sight. It's called tooth-in-eye surgery, rare, complex, but for Brent, life-changing. Nature also made headlines this week. Super Typhoon Ragasa became the strongest storm of the year, with winds topping 177 miles per hour. The storm ripped across the Philippines, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and mainland China, forcing mass evacuations and lockdowns in megacities. And it may not be the last. Another storm, Typhoon Buloy, is already developing, while 3 more systems spin up in the Atlantic. With ocean waters warming, scientists warn we may see more storms reaching record strength. Now, to space, where a black hole is defying the rules of the universe. Normally, black holes follow the Eddington limit, a speed limit on how fast they can consume matter, set by the balance of gravity pulling in and radiation pushing out. But astronomers just found a supermassive black hole that's growing at 2.4 times that theoretical maximum. This isn't the first time astronomers have caught black holes bending the rules, but this one is the clearest evidence yet that our models of black hole physics are incomplete. Could this discovery rewrite our understanding of how galaxies, and maybe even the universe, evolve? Scientists are already rethinking the math. And here are a few more fascinating discoveries this week. Scientists linked daylight saving time to increased stroke risks, fueling calls to scrap clock changes. In Antarctica, researchers found 85 active lakes hidden beneath the ice, hinting at strange ecosystems. And in Australia, mysterious glass may point to a massive ancient asteroid impact. But the crater is still missing. So, from curing brain diseases to black holes breaking physics, it's been a week of science that pushes the limits of what we thought possible. Which story blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly science updates.